Right now we're at the lovely Oscar Wilde Monument in Merrion Square.
My name is Conor O'Rourke. I am a tour manager here at Alternative Dublin. The tour, The Secret History of Gay Dublin, it literally is a tour that just shows everyone an underappreciated but rich side to Dublin's history. Because that's the thing with queer history. Queer people have been around since the start of time. I always say to people, Dublin is a wandering city. You just pick a direction and you walk. That's how you get the Dublin experience. That's how you get the great time. There's a Dublin for everybody. It doesn't matter who you are, like you will find a part of Dublin that is for you. I always recommend the George. Everyone knows the George. The George is kind of on top of everyone's list. The memories you make in Dublin, you won't make anywhere else because there's no city like Dublin.